guys? Opie here. Welcome back to my Brew City garden. Hey, I wanted to give you an update on the Papalo. If you haven't seen my original video on the Papalo, I'll put a link up here and you can go back and check it out. But basically what this is this was used in Mexican cuisine and South American cuisine back before cilantro was introduced by the Chinese. So this is the original cilantro, so to speak, or seasoning for the South American and Mexican foods. I got a hold of some seeds from some guy in Ohio through eBay. You know, I don't typically recommend using eBay for seeds, but if you do, try to get it from somebody within your country. You're probably going to have better luck with that. So these seeds happen to work out. This is Papalo, and I just wanted to give you an update. The growth rate is about, or the success rate with this is about 20%, which I was warned that the success rate, the germination rate is very low on this. That is true, but out of 50 seeds, I've got 10 plants here, so a 20% germination rate, it's not terrible, and hopefully I can get these to go to flower and collect the seeds from them. I don't ever have to buy them again. I can propagate them year after year. But what I really wanted was to give this stuff a taste test and see, is it really taste like cilantro? So let's check it out. I'm just gonna take a medium-sized leaf from the bottom here. And we'll take a look at it, and it's got like these strange little dots on them. And they say these little dots are actually, I don't know if you can see that, are actually where like the little glands are, the flavor glands of these things. So I don't know, let's give it a try. See if it's any good. It smells really good. It smells different, it's really different, it's kind of weird. I'm just gonna take a little bit off of here. Oh wow. Very strong, very pungent flavor. The first thing I get is like a hint of citrus, maybe some lime or a slight orange flavor to it, orange peel almost. And then it's very much like parsley. So it's almost like a citrusy parsley with just a little hint of cilantro in there. This is actually really good stuff. What I want to do is throw this in a couple of recipes where I would normally put cilantro and see how well that works out. But this is going to be good stuff. I'm glad I got the seeds for these, and I hope I can get these to go to seed and propagate these again. This would make like a really good breath freshener actually. They're so strong. I can see where a little bit could go a long way. So I can only imagine I won't even be able to use all this. And these things, by my understanding, will get about 4 feet tall or so before they go to flower. That's really good. If you haven't got a hold of some Papalo yet, you should really look into it. This is a really neat little spice that not too many people know about. All right, guys, thanks again for joining me here today at the Brew City Garden for this just real short, quick update. This stuff is awesome. You gotta try to get some. I love this stuff. All right, guys, now that you know, go get some for yourself. All right, guys, we'll see ya.